Hello, friends.
Hello.
Okay, today we're going to read one of the books that it's in this big book that it's about Elephant and Piggy. It's An Elephant and Piggy Biggie by Willems. And Cooper wants to read Today I Will Fly, right, Cooper?
Yes.
That's the one you want to read today? Today I Will Fly. Today I Will Fly by Willems. Oh, look, Piggy looks like she had an idea. She says, today I will fly. And look at Elephant. He's looking at her like, no, you will not fly today. Oh, look at Piggy's face. She's sad. She's like,
And he's like, hey.
You will not fly tomorrow. You will not fly next week. Piggy's not convinced. You will never fly. Look at Piggy. She's sad. She wants to fly. And she says, I will try. Goodbye. She's not listening to Elephant saying no. She's like,
it's como,
yeah. She's like, what?
He's like,
Eh.
He's like saying the sound of the letter A makes.
You will not fly. She will not fly. Do you think she will fly? And then look at her. She's like, fly, 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 fly. How would you do fly?
Wings.
With wings. Fly, 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 fly. Fly, 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 fly. Is she flying?
No.
Not yet. You need help, thinks Elephant. Thank you. I do need help. You need help, and she says, I will get help. Okay? I will get help. And then look at Elephant. Who is chasing Piggy? Who is chasing Piggy?
A dog.
A dog. Woof, 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 woof. Woof, woof, woof. Woof.
Fly.
I did it. I flew. Thank you for your help. And what does Elephant think?
He didn't fly.
You did not fly.
He jumped.
I did not fly, says Piggy. No, you jumped. I jumped? Okay. It was a big jump. It was a big jump, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yes, it was a big jump, but you did not fly. Okay, I will try again, says Piggy. I will eat lunch. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Hey.
Fly, 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 fly. Off.
Fly,
Not
fly, fly,
working.
fly.
Oh, you need help? You need help. I do need help.
A goose got.
What's this? What animal is this?
A goose.
I think it's more like a pelican, because look at the...
Oh, yes, it's a pelican.
And the pelican says, you need help. I do need help. Will you help me? I will. I will help you. Thank you. So off they go. Let's see what happens. Hello. Hello, says Piggy. Look. Is she flying?
Yes.
She looks like she's flying. You are flying. You are flying today. My friend can fly. She can fly. And then Piggy says, I am not flying. You're not flying? I am getting help. Look, who's doing the flying?
The pelican.
And Piggy was what? Just hanging.
Hanging up the roof.
Thank you for your help, says Piggy. And then guess what Elephant thinks? He thinks, tomorrow I will fly. What do you think about Elephant flying?
No, he can fly.
Good luck.